I wanted to share a quick look at these parchment bread slings that were kindly gifted to me. I bake sourdough regularly, and these have already been really helpful in my routine. I usually bake 4 loaves every couple of weeks, and transferring dough in and out of a hot Dutch oven can be a little tricky. These slings make that part so much easier. You just place your dough onto the parchment paper, you lower it into the Dutch oven using the long handles, and then you lift it right back out once it's done baking. The extended handles is such a nice safety feature because they keep your hands further away from the heat. And when I'm working with a super hot pot and I'm moving quickly, I really appreciate that design feature. I also really like that these are disposable. They work like a silicone mat, but there's no cleanup involved at all. Once I'm done baking, I can just toss the parchment, which is such a time saver, especially when I'm baking multiple loaves at once. The parchment itself is thick and sturdy, and it holds up really well in the oven. It's rated up to 450 degrees, and I haven't had any issues with it tearing, curling, or getting soggy while I'm baking. They're unbleached, chlorine-free, and made with food-safe materials, which I always look for when baking. If you bake sourdough often or use a Dutch oven regularly, these are a really practical tool to have on hand. I'm super excited I found them, and I definitely recommend checking them out.